Quorum na.
Colleagues, by the power vested in me as the presiding officer of this 36th regular session, I call this session to order. Let us all stand for an opening prayer to be led by Honorable Helilio and remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Sabihin tayo sa ngalan ni Ama, nin Aki, pati ni Espiritu Santo. Kaguranan, salamat po sa aga na ini na yadi naman kami kaguranan para tubangon niya mo sa mga obligasyon. Lugod kaguranan, rinaranim po sa imo sa muya na buhay. Asin lugod na sa mga obligasyon, magamit na mo sa tama. Asin lugod, ini kaguranan mapa sa imo ang kaumawan. Pagkasararo kami kaguranan siya ni na pagkaaga, ikawan mailang kaunya mo sa amo na buhay kaguranan. Lugod ang agada sa muya, hatagi kami simpuso na mapagpakumbaba. Asin lang sa imong kadunungan na naghali sa imong kahadian, sa muya lugod kaguranan, mabatian sa aga na ini. Sinasambit mi man kaguranan sa pagkaaga na ini o Diyos, bilang nanggugobyerno sa amo bansang Pilipinas, rinurumdum mi kaguranan ang kariribukan sa Middle East kaguranan. Sunukan sa imong pagbuot kaguranan, tabangi lugod o Diyos asinday mga naan, ang samuyang mga kaurupod nakatabuhan sa kinaban. Salamat kan sa imong pagkamot, na sa nina pagkaaga na sa mong nababatian. Ini kaguranan hinahagad niya mo, huli sa ngalan ni Jesucristo, sa ngalan ni Ama, nin Aki, pati ni Espiritu Santo. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Mr. Secretary, please call the roll.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attendance for the 36th regular session dated March 23, 2026. Honorable Cheska May B. Robles.
Present.
Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga.
Present.
Honorable Guillermo C. D. Castro Jr.
Present.
Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas. Honorable John Rainier C. Gordola.
Present po.
Honorable Geoffrey O. Asur. Present. Honorable Vincent Tihao.
Present.
Honorable Unita G. Guelas.
Present po.
Honorable Recto G. Valeriano.
Present.
Honorable Rodel G. Helilio.
Present po.
And Honorable Jerry Ann H. Gordola. Your Honor, I attest to the presence of quorum.
The chair declares quorum. Let's proceed to the reading and consideration of the minutes of the previous session.
Minutes of the 35th regular session of the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon, held on the 16th day of March 2026 at the Sangguniang Bayan Session Hall, New Legislative Building, this municipality. Present were Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, Honorable Guillermo de Castro Jr., Honorable Renz Aler G. Guelas, Honorable Geoffrey Azur, Honorable John Rainier Gordola, Honorable Vincent Howe, Honorable Unita Guelas, Honorable Rector G. Valeriano, and Honorable Godel G. Helilio. Absent were Honorable Attorney Danny A. Corsiga, he was excused, and Councilor Jerry Ann Gordola. The regular session was called to order at 9:20 in the morning. The presiding officer, Honorable Cheska May B. Robles, requested the SB members to stand up for the prayer and singing of the Pambansang Awit. The invocation was led by Councilor Rodel Hililio, followed by the playing of the Pambansang Awit on audio recording. The presiding officer requested the secretary to the Sangguniang to call the roll. The presiding officer declared the presence of quorum. While the assistant secretary was reading the minutes of the regular session dated March 2, 2026, Councilor Geoffrey Azur moved for its adoption, seconded by Councilor Rodel Hililio with no amendment. Question R, none. First reading and referrals of measures or communication. Item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026-115, SK
Mr. Chair.
2026.
Honorable Lenita Guelas.
If there are no further questions or matter for clarification concerning the session held on March 16, 2026, I formally move for its approval.
Second.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Nita Guela, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, the minutes of the regular session dated March 16, 2026 is approved and adopted.
We now go to question R, Your Honor. Since our invitation is scheduled on the 10th of this morning, Your Honor, may we proceed muna tabi with the first reading and referrals of measures or communication.
Please proceed.
Thank you po. For our first reading and referrals of measures or communication, item number 1, proposed resolution number 2026132, SK 2026 annual budget of Aguinaldo for 436,394 pesos and 52 centavos, and Lahong for 1,083,577 pesos and 97 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026131, SK 2026 budget of J. Herona for 728,215 pesos and 62 centavos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026130, realignment budget of Otabi for 25,000 and Kalumagon for 178,130 pesos and 130 pesos. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 4, proposed resolution number 2026129, resolution granting new accreditation to the Federation of Bulan Organizations with office address at Bulan, Sorsogon for all legal intents and purposes. Introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asu.
Refer to the Committee on Cooperatives.
Item number 5, proposed resolution number 2026128, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to sign for and on behalf of the municipality of Bulan a contract of agreement with the BCBR Prime Enterprises for the supply and delivery of medicines for use by the Rural Health Unit in the amount of 3,999,901 pesos only, chargeable to the E-Consulta Trust Fund. Introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
Item number 6, proposed resolution number 2026126 for review, Barangay Zone 5 Ordinance number 01 Series of 2026 entitled An Ordinance Prohibiting Open Burning of Garbage and Other Waste Material within the Territorial Jurisdiction of Barangay Zone 5 Bulan, Sorsogon in the interest of public health safety and environmental protection and providing penalties therefore. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Refer to the Committee on Barangay Affairs.
Item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026123, resolution concurring to the appointment of Dr. Kates L. Rebustillo as Municipal Government Department Head 1, or Municipal Health Officer, Salary Grade 24. Introduced by Councilor Guillermo de Castro Jr.
This item is referred to the Committee on Good Governance.
Item number 8, proposed appropriation ordinance number 02-2026, realignment number 001-2026, use of savings and augmentation from MOOE, training expenses to MOOE, traveling expenses -local, of the Office of the Mayor, Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering Unit amounting to 40,000 pesos, introduced by Councilor J.R. Gordola.
Refer to the Committee on Appropriations and Budget.
We now go to committee report, Your Honor.
Hello. Our first committee report, Your Honor, is submitted by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Medyo na may ano lang po, di na
Numbering.
sa numbering
I-continue mo na lang, Adamark,
Apo.
ang numbering. Para
Item
di-
number 9, 10, 11. Proposed Resolution number 2026-115 SK Annual Budget of the Laws. Proposed Resolution number 2026-114 Barangay Realignment of Gate. Proposed Resolution number 2026-122 SK Annual Budget of Maguinab, Quezon, and Libertad. The recommendation of the Committee on Appropriations, approval of proposed resolution number 2026-114 and 122, and deferment of proposed resolution number 2026-115.
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you po. For the committee report po, items number 1, 2, and 3, motion for adoption po and approval.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, the committee report on the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
Our second committee report, Your Honor, is submitted again by the Committee on Appropriations and Budget. Item number 19, 20, and 21. Proposed Resolution number 2026-108. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Second Sorsogon Police Mobile Force Company, or SPMFC, Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 120,000 pesos for the implementation of the Binhi ng Katahimikan Program. Proposed Resolution number 2026-103. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Second Sorsogon Police Mobile Force Company, SPMFC, Barangay Aquino, Bulan, Sorsogon, for the grant of financial assistance in the amount of 160,000 pesos for the implementation of the Project Kapatid. Kabataan ay pangalagaan, turuan at pag-ibayuhin ang disiplina. Proposed Resolution number 2026-106, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the Municipal Mayor, Honorable Romeo Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to Marinab Integrated School, Barangay Marinab, this municipality, in the amount of 100,000 pesos intended for the rehabilitation or repair of the Marcos type building with 3 rooms of Marinab Integrated School, Barangay Marinab, Bulan, Sorsogon. The recommendation, approval and inclusion in the second reading, the PR number 2026-108, 103, and 106.
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you po. For those 3 items po, proposed resolution number 2026-108, 2026-103, 2026 and 106, motion for adoption and approval po.
Second motion.
Any objection? Hearing none in motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, the committee report on the Committee on Appropriations and Budget is approved and adopted.
We now go to calendar of business, Your Honor. Letter A is unfinished business. For item number 1, we have proposed resolution number 2026-064 for review with IRR. Zone 2, Barangay Ordinance number 02, Series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Providing Cash Assistance to Qualified Students of Barangay Zone 2 who are taking Graduate Studies Program, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. It was introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Helilio.
under the calendar of business, unfinished business, there are four items, number 1 and 2. 4, 5, the proposed resolution of Barangay Sunto and the proposed resolution of Barangay Again Sunto and the proposed resolution GP Laurel and proposed resolution Barangay Lahong. Madam, the 4 items I move for approval and adoption, Madam Chair.
Second the motion.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Helilio, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Inita Guelas, proposed resolution number 2026-064, 2026-063, 2026-070, and 2026-069 are approved.
We now go to item number 3, Your Honor. Proposed resolution number 2026-042, resolution amending some sections of resolution number 156 series of 2025 or the internal rules of procedure for better legislative process by the 20th Sangguniang Bayan of the Municipality of Bulan, Province of Sorsogon.
Motion? 3.
Unfinished.
Madam Chair, for item number 3, under unfinished business, proposed resolution number 2026-042, I move for its adoption and second reading.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Danny A. Corsiga, seconded by Honorable Recto Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026-042 is approved.
Your Honor, mahulat patabi ako sa sa niya, Sir Danny. Ito na section san hanggang kagawad. An experience ni ito po baga na promise mo na ihahatag mo na section.
Napadala ko na po sa group chat.
Nawara sa ano ko. Dili
Sige.
ko
I'll have it printed na lang,
Opo,
sir.
dili ko makuha sa
Opo.
Thank you po, Your Honor.
Welcome.
Item number 6, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2025-581, resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to execute a deed of donation of a parcel of land owned by the municipal government of Bulan, identified as survey number 1056 portion, lot number 003, block 01, located at Barangay Imelda, Bulan, Sorsogon, with an area of 2,000 square meters, in favor of the barangay government of Imelda, this municipality, for the purpose of establishing a barangay site and the construction of a covered court, introduced by Councilor Aler Guelas.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Alarguelas.
may problema po ang property na yun. Deferred po. Motion for deferment.
This item is deferred.
Opo. Na-refer actually yun sa, sa executive.
Wala pa ini.
Wala pa po update ang executive. Kay po po technical description. Kay po survey.
Okay, this item is deferred pending the submission of the technical description of the property.
Item number 7, proposed resolution number 2026-008, resolution adopting the local public transport route plan 2025 to 2030 of the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon, and authorizing its submission to the Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board and other concerned agencies, introduced by Councilor Geoffrey Asur.
Okay, Madam Chair.
Honorable Azur.
Okay, thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, under the business for the day, sa unfinished business, the 2 item, the 7 and 8. So, I move to lay on the table kasi waiting pa tayo for the communication coming from LTFRB.
Okay.
And also, Madam Chair, the item number 9, also, I move to lay on the table.
Second.
Okay.
I second the motion.
An objection? Hearing none. Motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Howe. Items number 7, 8, and 9 are laid on the table.
And Madam Chair,
Honorable Azur.
Before to proceed for the business for the day, so the accreditation of Bulan Matnog Coastal Transport Cooperative, so I move to take on the table and also to conduct a committee hearing.
Second, Madam Chair.
Kasi nakaano siya?
Nakalay on the table.
Lay on the table siya.
Matno,
I-take on the table ko siya to ma-conduct na pa ako sa committee hearing.
Matnog Transport Cooperative.
Yes, opo. Bulan Matnog ko.
In motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable Alerguelas, the proposed resolution or ordinance regarding the Bulan Matnog transport route is taken on the table, and a committee hearing will be scheduled by the Committee on Transportation.
Noted, Your Honor. We now go to business for the day. Item number 1 is proposed resolution number 2026-127, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Social Welfare and Development Field Office 5 for the implementation of Sustainable Livelihood Program in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Howe.
the proposed resolution number 2026-127, I move for the approval on second reading.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026-127 is approved.
Item number 2 is proposed resolution number 2026-124, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to the barangay government of Eneroque, this municipality, in the amount of 100,000 pesos intended for the improvement of the barangay multipurpose hall in Barangay Eneroque, Bulan, Sorsogon.
Madam Chair,
Honorable J.R. Gordola.
thank you po. Since na sabi man po ni former Councilor Excel Zuniga kanina na may budget man po na available, motion for approval po ang item number 2, proposed resolution number 2026-124.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none. In motion of Honorable J.R. Gordola, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, proposed resolution number 2026-124 is approved.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Dondon de Castro.
i-manifest ko lang na dati hurong kami ni Kuya JR na pag may mga irog sini, kung pwede ma-indicate kung diin ang source of funds.
Augmentation.
Kumbaga, mas kitabi sa content sa resolution, di rin nakabutang kunding kukuwaon. Sa to kaya, nakabutang from augmentation, from 20%, or kundiin,
Augmentation.
para at least kulang na kita sa pag-aram kundiin siya. Para kayo nakabutang eh. So, ano ko lang po sa yadimanan sa representative from the executive, sa augmentation. Nakisira, indicate na. Irog po sa barangay augmentation, ibutang na nato para pag-submit na sa MBO, aram po sa MBO, kundi inara i-deduct sa budget.
Mao. Maski sa draft resolution siguro dapat ibutang na dito.
Opo.
Kaya dapat nakabutang man talaga.
Okay, para less na question an MBO, kung charge to diin siya na item sa budget sa LGU. So, mama na po, Madam Chair, manifestation.
Manifestation. Okay. Noted on the manifestation of Consejal De Castro.
So, barangay augmentation po ang source niya.
Opo.
Thank you po. So, item number 3, proposed resolution number 2026-125, certified urgent. Resolution authorizing the municipal mayor, Honorable Romeo A. Gordola, to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement with the Department of Health Center for Health Development, Bicol, Region 5, for the deployment of a physician under the Doctors to the Barrios program in the municipality of Bulan, Sorsogon.
May budgetary yata eh.
Madam Chair.
Honorable De Castro.
Ini po na agenda, mayon sin budgetary requirements na mas hatag sin allowance an LGU sa doktor. So, di ko po aram kung diin makuha sa budget. Kaya parang may nakabutang hindi na ano eh. Sa MOA na to, LGU Bulan is required to give a honorary or allowance of 15,000 to the deployed physicians. Tapos 5,000 naman para sa board and lodging tabi na ra.
Okay.
15,000 as providing
Pira
monthly.
na pira na doktor.
Di ko po alam.
Awara, so di ta aram. Saro lang. Okay. Motion?
Madam Chair,
Honorable How?
since may budget at may budget man kita, the proposed resolution number 2026-125.
May budget?
20,000 na lang.
15,000 sa doktor, 5,000 sa boarding house.
Pira po din po an source para ibatang po sa
Executive.
Office of the Mayor.
So, 20,000.
One only.
One only.
Di ba siya pwede
Ah.
charge sa trust funds and sa RHU?
Abo pa na din.
Abo.
So, Madam Chair,
Honorable How?
the proposed resolution number 2026-125, I move for the approval on second reading.
Second the motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Azur, proposed resolution number 2026-125 is approved. The source of fund will be coming from the Office of the Mayor.
Item number 4, Your Honor, is proposed resolution number 2026-065 for review. Tarumata Barangay Ordinance number 12, series of 2026, entitled An Ordinance Regulating All Types of Motor Vehicles which have motorcycle device that amplify the regular muffler or swapping out of open pipes or mufflers, resulting to the emission of excessive and unreasonable extra loud noise, and providing penalties for violation thereof. Introduced by Councilor Rodel Hililio.
Madam Chair,
Honorable Hililio?
under the business of the day, the items number 4 and items number 5, the proposed resolution of Barangay Tarumata, and items number 5, the proposed resolution of the Barangay Kukakabitan. Madam Chair, I motion for approval, Madam Chair.
Second
Second
motion.
motion.
Any objection? Hearing none, in motion of Honorable Hililio, seconded by Honorable Valeriano and Honorable Lini Taguelas, the proposed resolution number 2026-065 and 067 are approved.
Your Honor,
Basahon ng SP.
may include mo na yun.
Apo, include. Okay.
Your Honor, may I respectfully request the Sangguniang Bayan for the inclusion of a certified urgent resolution designated as proposed resolution number 2026-133, entitled Resolution Authorizing the Municipal Mayor Honorable Romeo A. Gordola to enter into and sign a memorandum of agreement for the grant of financial assistance to San Francisco National High School, San Francisco, Bulan, Sorsogon, in the amount of 25,000 pesos, intended for the purchase of drum and lyre corps instruments.
Madam Chair.
Honorable How?
So the resolution number 2026-133, I move for the inclusion on second reading. And approval.
Second.
Second.
Dami Any objection?
Madam Chair, din po source of fund.
Source of fund?
Donation.
Augmentation.
Sa donations. po, sir.
Donations.
There is augmentation.
Donations.
Donations under MO. Apo.
Second. Sino ba yung second?
Motion of Honorable House, seconded by Honorable Valeriano, Honorable J.R. Gordola, Honorable Azur, Honorable Jerry Ann Gordola, Honorable Lini Taguelas. All SB na lang siguro. Kay donation man ini. The proposed resolution number 2026-133 is included on our agenda and is approved.
Thank you, Your Honor. ang invitation tapan no kan attorney Mot is 10 o'clock. So medyo naging makaskas kita. 9:46. So,
Basahan naman ang SP resolution. Sa mga
tapos, di ko lang sure kung nakaabot ka niya ha, kay wala pa kabalik sa akong communication and si attorney Mot Bagatabi pa no, hali Davao, kay nag-seminar siya. So, hulaton tala lang ada tabi na, 10 o'clock. In the meantime, share to kung kulugod tabi kung makanis siya. Pwede man ka mo mag-recess, Your Honor?
Apo. Sige, habang i-award last day na po niyan sa mga OJT pwede naman i-award na ang mga certificate.
So, Madam Chair,
Suspend.
I move for the suspension of the House.
Second motion.
House rules suspended. Resume. Motion to resume.
Hello. Madam Chair,
Honorable Howe.
I move for the resumption of the House.
House rules resumed. Let us acknowledge and welcome Correcto for his privileged speech. Okay.
Oh my God, preparation.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Good morning to the
Pwede tabi ang mga nasa likod na mga nakaingkod ang batiun tapuan speech ni Councilor Recto. And we are in session tabi.
Diyos maray tabi na aga sa Gabos, and congratulations to the students of Sorsogon State University. And of course, to the collegial body. My privilege speech is very crucial on this moment because of the proposed amendment for review of Municipal Fishery Ordinance Number 006 Series of 2015 in relation to Republic Act Number 10654. Ang duwa tabi kadlaw na tawan lugar sa Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources on March 18, may nagkaigo po tabi sing consultation manungod sa close and open season regarding sa Bali Sardines na lawlaw nato sa bulan. On the first day dated March 28 sa Kari Hotel, Madam Chair, pinag-invite po tabi ang mga stakeholder staff from Largarite, ang sa ato mga peace broker, and iba po tabi na mga nagtatrabaho sa pangisdaan. So, linatag po tabi sa BIFAR on the first day sa kanira po tabi duwa ka adlaw, ang fisheries administrative order para po tabi ma-implementar nila ang close and open season sa Banwaan sa bulan. Actually, diri man po kita hatag as nga sangguniang bayan and ma-propose for a closed season. Under Fisheries Administrative Order, ang before na po tabi sinian mababa sin order kung kailan. But tentatively, ang kanira po tabi inanunsyo na mabatog tabi November, December, and December and close and open season sa Bali Sardines or Lawlaw. Sa scientific study po nila, under the Management Fisheries Area number 7, kapod tabi ang Albay, parting Piduran, Balatan, Masbate, Sorsogon, boundaries and Northern Samar. Nag-adal na po tabi sila sini na scientific study about San Lawlaw na hindi po tabi na November, December, January, nagbubunay ang isda for spawning. Bidi sa parting Tikaw Island. So kung diri tabi ibaba sa BIFAR and Fisheries Administrative Order, mararampang po tabi ang sobra na pag-isda na nakukuha ang lupoy, nakukuha tabi ang ini na juvenile part po tabi sa Lawlaw, diri na naka-normal ang tama na napoproduce nato dito sa Peaceport. Sa niyan, abnormal na po tabi ang sa ato season in time niya na March, April, May, dahil lang nga na dinarakop na tabi sa mga illegal fisher like yato na saragdeta na isda. So, under our proposed amendment na ma-review po tabi sa Sangguniang Bayan members is kepuhan kita po tabi maabang nasin programa. Sa review sa Fisheries Ordinance Number 006 Series of 2015 in relation sa Republic Act Number 10654 is the amendment to Article 5 Conservation and Protection Measures, Section 24, declaration of closed season pursuant to Republic Act number 10654. Meaning, the 10654 Republic Act, that is a national fisheries code, is talagang ang tinatawag na fisheries administrative order is based on pag-adal sa BIFAR is ibababa talaga, Madam Chair, ang closed and open season sa Laulao. Now, under Section 24, is hereby amended to provide that the municipality shall strictly observe and enforce the declaration of closed season in accordance with the provision of Republic Act number 10654. Other applicable national laws and implementing rules and regulations and scientific recommendation issued by the competent authorities, the BIFAR, or the Department of Agriculture. During this period, the catching of tamban shall be strictly prohibited. The ordinance shall clearly specify the exact duration of the closed season. During the implementation of the closed season, the municipal government shall allocate funds for alternative livelihood assistance programs for affected fisher folks, which may include skills training, cash for works program, aquaculture support, and other income-generating activities to mitigate economic displacement of our paraisda. And an amendment to Article 10 for the final provision, Section 70 appropriation funds is hereby amended to ensure the effective implementation and enforcement of this ordinance through the provision of adequate appropriation. Such appropriation shall include funds for the procurement and maintenance of patrol boats for monitoring to our municipal waters, allocation and sufficient fuel budget for continuous patrol operation, acquisition of necessary enforcement, equipment, clothing but not limited to flashlight, cameras, and GPS devices, provision of insurance coverage for all duly recognized Bantay Dagat members, while performing official duties, and increase of the monthly honoraria of Bantay Dagat personnel from 2,005 to 5,000 pesos, subject to the ability of funds and compliance with applicable budgeting, accounting, and the auditing rules and regulation. Madam Chair, ini po tabi abang na nato sa maabot na pagbabasan BIFAR under Fisheries Administrative Order. Now, kung may abang kita sa ato po tabi Sanggunian Bayan, para diri kita pagparabasolon sa mga paraisda nato, nawara kitang ginigibo na hakbang. Then, siyempre, kung naghahimo man kita sin hakbang, kepuhan po tabi, ma-amenda man po tabi ang Article 1 under General Approbation, Section 5, and Definition of Terms. The definition of three-fly net is hereby amended to refer to a fishing net consisting of 3 layers of netting material design to enhance durability and strength for fishing operation. Furthermore, the allowable and required mesh size for 3-fly net shall not be less than 9.5 inches and not more than 10.5 inches. Kung magkaiwang po tayo kita sin consultation or public hearing, madepende po tayo ini sa paghatag sa mga praisda, either it is 9 na lang or 10, sabi ninda. Ang ginagamit po tabi ninda niyan is 11 and 12. Mapino, ang hikot, kaya ang lawlaw na chiburlet or nadudarag ko pa lang, nakukuha sa niyan sa mga praisda ta, dahil ang ginagamit nila is 11 to 12. So, under amendment to Article 2, Regulation of Fishing Activities, Section 10, Fisheries Folks for adjacent municipalities, it is sure that ini po tabi i-amend nato to require fisheries folks from adjacent municipalities who intend to conduct fishing activities within the municipal waters to secure a fishing permit issued by the municipal government. Such permit shall be obtained in an annual basis, replacing the previous requirement of securing permit for every fishing operation. The issuance of the annual permit shall be subject to compliance with the existing municipal regulation and the payment of the corresponding fees as may be determined by the municipal government. The BFAR, nagkukondukta po tabi sa rasin social information and responsibilities sa ato po tabi nasasakupan ng mga paraisda. Para matagan po tabi sin tama na manera sin pagpapasabot hali sa ato sa Sangguniang Bayan para pag-abot sin oras diri po tabi kitaan mabasol na ngaya diri kita naghakbang sin mga inhimo na para sa mga paraisda. And just remember that the 70% of population sa Bulan, more or less mga 10,000 po tabi ang naglalawod ng mga paraisda. So nakaatang po tabi sa ato Sangguniang Bayan, and I'm called for a crucial time na sana sarabay po tabi kita magkampanya sini na para sa mga fisher folk sectors. Now, according to our Department of Agriculture, may man tabi sa rasin ihatag na 3,000 pesos sa mga paraisda. Pero di pa po tabi niyan mangyayari. Dahil may mauuna pa na mga cash for amount of 5,000 sa transport sectors. But kita, as a member of the Sangguniang Bayan, lalo na sa Committee on Agriculture and Fisheries, both ko po tabi pa sa mga grupo sa Sangguniang Bayan members na sana kung naman po tabi ang programa nato as a whole sa collegial body, sana masuportahan po tabi niyo. Para pag-abot sin oras, hinatag ta na ang kakayahan ta sa lado sa Sangguniang Bayan. So, for the proposed amendment, review of Municipal Fisheries Ordinance, series of 2015 in relation to Republic Act 10654, magpapadagos po tabi kita na ma-invite sa ato grupo, lalo na sa Danao and North and South Coastal area, dahil mas na uunahan kita sa social media sa paagi po tabi sa diri tama na mga desisyon sa iba't na mga paraisda while kita tabi ang may unsin karapatan na mahatag sin tama na disposition para sa kanila. So Mr. Chair, thank you very much tabi sa paghatag lugar sa ato time for a privileged speech, and it makes sure tabi na sana kung na naman po tabi ang programa sa ato Sangguniang Bayan and address to the agriculture and fisheries, sana masuportahan po tabi. Thank you and good day.
Thank you. Konsehal Recto.
May nalimutan pa pala po ako. Sa pangduwa po tabi na patawag sa BFAR, we have our Climate Change Adaptation and Mitigation Building Alliance for the Conservation and Management of Marine Resources and the Fisheries Management Area 7. So, may na po tabi sin hinimo ang parting Bisaya for the alliance ng mga municipal mayors. Kaya lang, ang sa ato tabi, medyo negative and saro pa na patawag po tabi sa BFAR dahil sa ang ikaduha po tabi na pagkonduktan nin alliance is duwa lang na mayors ang nag-abot, Mayor Agrario and Mayor Mio Gordola. The rest is puro representative. While doon tabi sa memorandum of understanding, mapirarman mga mayor about the alliance of this
FMA 7.
climate change of mitigation, conservation, and management of marine resources. So that's all, Madam Chair.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we now have Attorney Magdamit.
Motion.
Oh.
Motion.
Di ba?
Diretso ba? Okay po.
Naka-ongoing.
Yari na po si Attorney Magdamit.
Oo, masuspend.
Suspend po. Motion tabi to suspend the House rules.
Okay, ma.
To suspend the House rules, Tabi.
Second. House rules suspended. Good morning po. Motion for the resumption.
Motion to resume.
Okay, Madam Chair, I move for the resumption of the House rules.
Second. Any second?
Second the motion, Madam Chair.
House rules resumed.
And also, Madam Chair,
Honorable Azur,
I move for the adjournment.
Wala na basahan?
announcements,
Sa announcement? Another? Ito na,
other
why?
matters, wala na. Motion of Honorable Azur, seconded by Honorable J.R. Gordola. Session adjourned.